Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking with you about BB&T Bank. More specifically, I'm going to be walking you through a few ways to order checks for BB&T. So a check is a physical piece of paper that's linked to your bank account. You can use this to pay someone or a company, and the way that it works is you write the check and then the person that you're paying deposits the check. Once they've done this, the money will be taken out of your account and deposited into theirs. So now that we have kind of an understanding of what checks are and how they're used, I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can order them. Before we get started, you will need to have a copy of a voided check or something else that has your bank account number and routing number on it. So the first thing you're going to do is open the browser on your phone and type in the bank web address. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, any browser really. Whatever browser you normally use on your phone will work perfectly fine. I'm going to be using Safari in this video. As you can see, I'm already on the website, and you can see the web address at the top of the screen, simply bbt.com. You can also check out the description for a link to BB&T Bank. So the first way to order checks is going to be to log into your BB&T Bank account online. So you're going to look for the login button on the top right-hand corner of the screen and click on that. Here you'll see where you can enter your user ID and your password. If you don't have a user ID and password, you'll see a link towards the bottom of the screen that says enroll now if you're new to online banking. Go ahead and just click on that and then follow the steps on the screen to complete the enrollment process. And then you can go back and log in with your user ID and password. Once you're in, you're going to click on banking options and order checks online if available. Usually, banks do charge a fee for checks, and it's normally a set price, but be sure to look for any banking promos that include free checks if you have a certain type of account. The second way to order checks is going to be to call the customer service number for BB&T Bank. You should be able to find this phone number located on the back of your debit card. You can also usually find the phone number by looking for a Contact Us page on the BB&T Bank website. Sometimes this phone number is a little tricky to find, but usually the first place to start is going to be by scrolling to the bottom of the page. If you happen to know another way that you can find the customer service phone number, be sure to let me know in the comments. I do want to let you know that sometimes there will be an additional fee to use this service to order checks over the phone, and that's something that the customer service representative will be able to lay out for you when you speak with them. The third and final way to order checks is going to be through a third-party vendor. To do this, simply go to google.com and do a search for order replacement checks for BB&T Bank. I've already got this tab up, and I've already entered into the search bar order replacement checks for BB&T Bank. What it does is it brings up a few websites, or quite a few different websites, where you can order checks from: Bradford Exchange checks, Extra Value checks, all pretty popular websites that you can use. Do be aware that the security features and prices to order checks online from these third-party vendors will vary. And if you happen to know of any other good, reputable third-party vendors to order replacement checks for BB&T Bank from, be sure to let me know in the comments. Ordering checks from a third-party vendor is also where your voided check copy will come in handy, because you're going to need to provide your exact BB&T Bank account number and routing number. Unlike when you order checks through the BB&T Bank website or through the customer service, those numbers will not be automatically loaded, and you'll have to add them in yourself. So those are the 3 ways that you can order checks. I hope that you found this useful, and make sure to check out the description for more information on BB&T Bank.